Hello and welcome to a special update video. Today we're discussing a new special version of BarCloud, BarCloud Enterprise. The Enterprise Edition gives users a unified platform for controlling every aspect of multiple standalone inventory systems, as long as those systems have an API. The master configuration component of BarCloud Enterprise is BarCloud's most powerful configuration tool yet. It allows a select few users to set up new content for multiple databases, even BarCloud accounts with multi-site configuration. The Enterprise UI carries over the same clean and modern look of the existing BarCloud system, making navigation a breeze. Enterprise administrators will have clear visibility over all of their databases, accounts, and sites. In the example of adding a new stock item, they'd be able to define the item, choose a category for it, configure any additional fields, set min-max par levels, even provide an image for it, and then choose which sites in which accounts to add that item to with just a few clicks. And this is just one component of the whole BarCloud Enterprise package. We'll be discussing the additional components in future videos, so be sure to stay tuned for additional enterprise updates and announcements.